Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning.
Did you rest well?
Not really.
Why? What's going on?
I have no idea. Just give me space.
Whoa, what's the matter?
Everything, nothing, I can't explain.
That doesn't add up.
I don't care.
All right, I'll make coffee.
I don't want coffee.
Since when?
Since now.
You adore coffee.
Not today.
Okay, tea then.
No, no, no.
Juice.
I said no.
What do you need?
Nothing. Just leave me be.
Why are you so upset?
I'm not upset.
Your expression says otherwise.
My face is fine.
Okay, take it easy.
Don't tell me to take it easy.
I'm only trying to assist.
You're not assisting.
Fine, I'm going.
Good. Get lost.
I'll be in the kitchen.
Why am I so irritable?
Are you all right?
I don't know. I apologize.
It's all right. We all have rough mornings.
I was so harsh with you.
A bit, but I get it.
I don't deserve you.
You deserve everything.
Can I have an embrace?
Of course.
I'm so cranky today.
It's fine. It occurs.
I don't know the reason.
You don't need a explanation.
Really?
Sometimes we just feel off.
You're so understanding.
I do my best.
I adore you.
I adore you too, even cranky.
Can I have coffee now?
Yes, I'll grab it.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
Don't apologize, just sip.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You all right?
No, my hair looks awful.
It seems fine to me.
It does not.
I'm coming over.
Don't come, it's too hideous.
It's not hideous.
Look at this. This part.
What part?
This. It's standing up.
So it's charming.
It's not charming. It's terrible.
Just wet it down.
I did. It doesn't help.
Use some product.
No product. It makes it stiff.
Then wear a cap.
A cap? I can't wear a cap.
Why not?
I have a presentation.
Your hair is perfectly fine.
You don't get it.
You're blowing it out of proportion.
I am not. This is critical.
It's merely hair.
It's not merely hair.
Okay, relax.
I can't relax.
Let me assist.
You don't know hair.
I can attempt.
Fine, try like this. No, you're making it worse.
Sorry, I'm attempting.
Give it. I'll handle it.
Maybe just pull it back.
Oh, that looks nicer.
See, I contributed.
You said pull it back.
Yes, I'm clever.
You're all right.
Just all right.
Sometimes when you pitch in.
I always pitch in.
Not always, but today you did.
I love you, even with messy hair.
My hair is not messy.
I know, I'm kidding.
You're irritating.
But you love me.
Perhaps.
I'm heading to work now.
Okay, thanks for helping.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Drive carefully.
I'm ravenous.
Me too. So hungry.
What do you fancy?
I don't know. You pick.
I always pick.
I'm fine with anything.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Last time you complained.
That was different.
How?
The food was cold.
That was your fault. You took forever.
I was working.
Whatever. What do you want?
I said anything.
Okay, pizza.
No, I had pizza yesterday.
You said anything.
I changed my mind.
See, you're fussy.
I am not fussy.
Yes, you are.
Okay, burgers.
Come closer. We'll share.
You will push me.
No, I won't. I promise.
Okay.
See, we're both covered.
This is actually pleasant.
I know. I'm a genius.
You are all right.
Just all right.
Sometimes when you share,
I always share.
not with blankets.
I'm sharing now.
Because I made you.
Perhaps.
Good night, David.
Good night, Sarah.
I love you.
I love you too.
The fridge, it's not cool.
What? Let me inspect.
Everything is warm.
That's not good.
All our food, it's ruined.
Calm down. Let me see.
I can't calm down.
Yeah, it's broken.
We just bought groceries yesterday.
I know. This is awful.
The milk, it's warm.
Don't drink it. It's spoiled.
And the eggs. So much money.
I am sorry. This is terrible.
What do we do?
We need a repair person.
Today it's Sunday.
Oh, no, you are right.
No one comes on Sunday.
I will call anyway.
This is a catastrophe.
Don't panic. We have ice.
Ice for all this.
Some things we can rescue.
Like what?
Vegetables, fruits.
What about the meat?
Too late. It's spoiled.
This is all my fault.
How is this your fault?
I should have inspected it.
It's not your fault.
I feel so awful.
It's okay. We will cope.
I am so stressed.
Come here. Hug me.
I hate this.
I know. Me too.
We have to buy new food.
Yes, but later.
I need to sit down.
Yes, take a break.
I am so tired.
I will call the repair person.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Because you prepared.
I did prepare.
See, you are ready.
You are right.
I am always right.
I am always right.
Right now I am.
Okay, you're right.
Now sleep, please.
Can you hold me?
Fine, come here.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Now close your eyes.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.